Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new unboxing channel. Here we are going today to make the unboxing video of LCD panel, or someone says this is the LCD writing pad, and some people says this is the writing tablet for kids. So there are different names available, different genre available in the market. So we are going to disclose and unboxing this product. And here we go. This is before we unbox. Here we go. Here we show the front side of the box, and this is the back side of the box, right? The front side is the branding of the tablet, and the back side is mentioning the features and the specification of the tablet. So we are going to unboxing this one. Wow, nice packaging. Here the product out. Wow, beautiful tablet. And this is the 12-inch size, and there are different sizes available in the market, starting from I think from 6.5 inch, 8.5, or 9 and 12. So here is the pen that is used to write on the tablet. The specific pen that comes with this product. So pen comes out, and this is the specific pen that comes with the tablet and is only used to write on the tablet. It doesn't have any nib. It is just like a plastic pen. So what we're going to do is to write something. Yes, it is, and it shows some different color, starting from yellow, blue, and then green. Yeah, and this is the eraser. Oh, I think this is lock. To unlock this tablet, there is another button from the back side. This one, a small switch. Now it's unlocked, and now we can erase. Just press this button to erase. Yes. You can draw, you can write anything. LCD tablet. Right? You can draw, you can write anything. You can draw any image, anything you want to write, anything. If you want to make a to-do list, you can do anything. So it's a wonderful product for kids, and it's easily available. So here is the unboxing of this tablet. You can erase, you can write. So yeah, it's a wonderfully fun-filled product, and thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.